4 vagus nerve stimulation massages for the ears. Try these to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Number 1, the ear ridge circles ear massage. So place your finger gently on the ear ridge just above your ear canal. Then apply light pressure and move your finger in small circles, sliding the skin as you go. Repeat for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other ear. Number 2, ear canal circles ear massage. Place your finger gently on your ear canal. With your palm facing behind you, press your finger lightly toward the back of your head. Gently move your finger in small circular motions, sliding the skin as you go. Repeat for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other ear. Number 3, the ear pull ear massage. Gently grab your ear and pull it outward and away from your skull for 10 seconds or more. Release, then gently pull your ear down for 10 seconds or more. Then lastly, gently pull your ear up for 10 seconds or more. Then repeat on the other ear. And number 4, the skin behind the ear massage. Place your finger on the skin behind your ear between your ear and hairline. Gently pull the skin upward and hold for 10 seconds or more. Then gently pull the skin downward and hold for 10 seconds or more. Finally, pull the skin backward toward the back of your head and hold for 10 seconds or more. Then repeat on the other ear. Try this in the morning, before bed, or anytime you have a headache or need to release tension in your neck or jaw.
If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.